Hi, good morning. So, for today's video, magluluto tayo ng pad krapaw. It's Thai basil stir fry. I've tried it once pa lang sa may SM Fairway. Dun sa food court, meron dong Thai stall. So, I've tried their chicken pad krapaw na sobrang daming sili tapos sobrang daming basil and may egg siya on top ng fried rice. So, itatry natin gawin dito sa bahay yung dish na yon. Tingnan natin kung ma-replicate natin yung lasa na gusto natin. Basically, maanghang lang siya, tapos maalat, and then may eggs sa ibabaw. So, basic Thai dish siya, pero sobrang sikat siya sa Thailand at binabalik-balikan siya doon. So, yun lang. Later, I'll show you the ingredients that I'll be using. So, samahan niyo ako magluto for today's video. Bye! Ito guys, may ingredients natin nagtitipitin for pad krapaw. We have onions, garlic, sili, and then may chili pepper din dyan, lemon, pang squeeze later. We also have our beef. This is half kilo ng beef. And then basil na madami, and then we have our oyster sauce, soy sauce, and then more seasoning tsaka sugar. Mix natin siya later. Oyster, soy sauce, seasoning tsaka sugar. Ito yung pad ko natin ng fried rice. We're going to put na our mixture. Sure guys, papareduce natin yung sabaw. May sabaw kasi sa konti. Tapos, nilagyan natin basil and then lemon. And guys, medyo nag-reduce na yung tubig from the beef. Nilagyan tayo yung lemon. So later, may lagyan natin yung basil para maluto din siya. Lapit na maluto natin pad krapaw. Down reduce. So we can put krapaw like that. Guys, masarap. May pad krapaw with egg, fried rice, and lemon. You can use lime. It's very lemon on that.